Hey, friends. I'm Kausar from KMLOC. Look, I have an iPhone device in my hand. No Apple account on this device. I'll check now. See, there's none of my Apple accounts here. I'm going to show you how you can create a free Apple account on this device. For that, first you have to factory reset your device. Look, I'm resetting the device here. A factory reset. See, I'm resetting the device from here. I just put in my passcode. And see, I'm resetting the device here. Look, it's resetting. See, the device has turned on. After it's on, go ahead and select your language. I'm going to choose English. And of course, when you're selecting the country here, make sure you look for and select the United States. You know, the US. Select United States here. After selecting it, click Next, and then click Continue. You'll connect to Wi-Fi here. See, I'm connecting to my Wi-Fi now. After connecting to Wi-Fi, see here. Watch. Click Continue here. Then enter your age and choose Adult. After that, you'll choose Set up later for Face ID. Since we're not going to use a lock, I'll go to Passcode Options and click Don't Use Passcode. After that, I'll click right here again. Now on this page here it reads, Don't transfer anything. I'll click it. When you get to this page, you're going to click right here on Forgot Password or Don't Have an Account. Click. It says Create a Free Account. Here, click it. See, after clicking this, go ahead and enter your name here. Enter the name. I'm putting my name in here. Go ahead and enter your date of birth, whatever it is, just like this. Then go here and enter your email, or tap Don't Have Email to create one now. Watch step by step quickly. Click here, and you'll see you can create the Apple email from right here. Look, I'm creating an email with my name here. After clicking Create, you can see it's being created. Use one uppercase, some lowercase letters, and any numbers for your password here. So I'm entering my password here. See? You can set whatever password you like. Enter the password twice here. Then click Continue. I'm clicking it. Now, select United States here. Then enter any state number. You can find one online. Any number works. I'll enter a random number. Then click Continue Watch here. Click. When code appears, I'll tap Don't get a code here. Click here and choose Verify Later. And I'm clicking Continue again, see? After clicking, it's been bypassed. See? See, I clicked Agree here. Look, it's being created now. Look, account's created. Now I'll set up a device. And that's how you'll set it up. I click Set Up Later. Then, Don't Share. Then, Continue again. Selected Set Up Later. Then tapped Continue twice. I click Get Started, see? Setup's done. Now I'll open the Apple Play Store on this device. Look, my Apple account has been created here. After entering this, turn off Find My Device here. This account works with it off. For that, you should go in here and make sure to turn off the Find My Device feature. Since we're creating a random account without any two-step verification, you should turn off Find My Device from here. Look, I'm turning it off. There, you should turn off Find My Device. It's done. See? After it's done, look, I'm checking to see if it'll download from the App Store. Look, I clicked it. Okay, again. I clicked on this, see? And continue again. From here, I'll download YouTube Watch. It's downloading right now. I tapped YouTube. Please enter the password. See, I'm entering it now. Entered password. Now look. It's downloading right there, see? Click on this one. Look, the app is downloading, see? Here, look, you can see the app is downloading. YouTube is downloaded. I'll open it now. I click. It wants Gmail. Look, I entered without Gmail. Here, you can create a free Apple account easily. Thanks, viewers.